Well, here in the nation's capital, the Supreme Court heard oral arguments Monday in a major case challenging the strength of the First Amendment in the internet age. At issue is how far the government can go in encouraging social media companies to regulate misinformation in user posts. CBN White House correspondent Abigail Robertson has more.
Justices appeared skeptical of claims that the Biden administration went too far in encouraging social media companies to moderate controversial content. They specifically addressed topics related to COVID-19 and election security.
Some might say that the government actually has a duty to take steps to protect the citizens of this country, and you seem to be suggesting that that duty cannot manifest itself in the government encouraging or even pressuring platforms to take down harmful information.
Attorneys general from Louisiana and Missouri joined 5 individuals in suing the Biden administration for violating their First Amendment free speech rights. They claim the federal government coerced social media platforms to suppress conservative voices by taking down posts deemed misleading.
Pressuring platforms in back rooms, shielded from public view, is not using the bully pulpit at all. That's just being a bully.
While lower courts sided with the states, the justices seem to favor the Biden administration.
I mean, actually inaccurate about something the troops are doing, U.S. troops are doing, and they're, you should take that down. It's factually inaccurate. It's harming the war effort. It's not accurate.
Brad Jacob from Regent University says the heart of this case depends on whether or not the federal government took part in coercion.
But I think that's really the whole issue. Was this just a gentle, hey, we'd like you to kind of encouragement, or was this, you better do this or you're going to be in trouble, with maybe implicit sanctions? How much did the government push is really the issue.
He adds another key is that social media companies are privately owned and operated.
My guess is that the court is going to largely position itself as saying social media is private business. It doesn't have to respect the First Amendment. If you don't like the way Twitter, X moderates your speech, then don't use that platform.
The Biden administration argues they do not use coercive threats to control platforms' editorial content. There's also been no punishment if or when the companies decline to moderate flagged content. A ruling is expected in June. Abigail Robertson, CBN News.